Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the brisket and cheddar sandwich. Let's just get it out of the way. I'm sick, I don't feel great, but we're still gonna keep doing this for you guys. Now the thing about when you're sick is you try to start taking some shortcuts, or at least make your life a little bit easier. So today we're making a leftover brisket sandwich. Honestly, it doesn't matter what you have. You can turn it into something that hopefully can warm your soul and make you feel a little bit better. In this case, we're gonna be using some smoked brisket to make an Arby's styled beef and cheddar. Here we got some brisket that I smoked up for a game last week to hang out with friends, and then we didn't end up needing all of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice this super thin. This brisket's been seasoned with the Cattleman's Grill Trail Dust, which is just kind of an all-purpose seasoning. It's great on brisket, it's great on chicken, on veggies, on pork. It's all things pretty much work for it. Now the reason we're trying to get it thin is because we want it to kind of just like bend and break as we put the sandwich together. Now to warm the beef, we're gonna put a couple cups of beef stock into a pot. We'll just kind of let it warm back up in here, which is also gonna keep it nice and juicy. This has come up to a simmer. It smells really great, honestly, even with my stuffed up nose. I'm gonna move this off to the side so we can make some cheese sauce. Start just like we're making a roux or a bechamel. We're gonna start with the roux, get a little bit of unsalted butter down, and then add in some flour. Kind of got a blonde roux situation going on here. Now we're ready to add our heavy cream. So we'll start with just a little, keep whisking, make sure we don't get any lumps in here, and then we can let this thing thicken and add in our cheeses. Now 2 cheeses going into our sauce today. One of them, good old classic American cheese. We'll let that melt down, and then we'll add our sharp cheddar. American's all melted. Now we're gonna add in an equal amount of cheddar. Got a nice smooth, saucy consistency. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's whip up just a little bit of horseradish mayo to go onto our sandwich here. Obviously I'm measuring very carefully. You can just do this by taste. I'll throw some measurements in the recipe link. Nothing more than a little Duke's mayo and some prepared horseradish. This is how you guys know I don't feel that great. We got a steamed bun by Chef Mike using the microwave. Just a wet paper towel around the brioche bun. Hit that bottom bun with some of the horsey sauce. Hot brisket coming out of the broth now. Load it up. And then over the top, our cheddar cheese sauce. All right, sweet brisket. Put my soul at peace. It's in the shape of a smile, even though I can't muster one right now. That's a good use for leftover brisket. Savory, creamy cheese. You've got the bite from the horseradish. It's all going on. Honestly, when you're not feeling well, sometimes you just need a little bit of comfort food, even if it's an old school classic like the Arby's roast beef and cheese. And this one's working for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.